Hi guys, welcome to today's videos. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 10 active issue, and this video will be very important and will help you a lot to activate Windows. So follow these steps. First of all, we will go to the search option, type Windows Security here, then we'll move on to the Virus and Threat Production option now. We will click on Manage Settings option. From here, we will turn off the options of real-time protection that are on. Very simply, we will close everything from here and open the browser of our choice. We will now search for Windows 10 activatortxt. Here, after searching OK, we can see firstly, there is a website called GitHub Windows Activator. Normally, we will click here. Well, after the website is open, we can see some such coding files we will copy from the beginning to the end. Okay, we're going to close everything now on the desktop. We're going to create a new text document file from here, then paste our Windows Activator code in file. Now we're going to save it from here. The file name must be Windows Activator. But exactly like this. Of course, we will save to desktop. When saving, then the file will be clicked on the right button of the mouse and click on Run Administrator. The file will open automatically, and our Windows will be activated very easily. I hope the video will help you a lot. See you in the next video.